Hi, welcome to Playful Connection, Rebuilding Joy and Lightness in the Relationship. I am so glad you are here, whether you are watching this while putting another load of laundry in, dodging Legos, or hiding in the pantry eating chocolate chip cookies. No shame, that's sacred ground. Welcome. My name is Amy Weber. I am a child therapist, a parent coach, and co founder of Speak, Learn, and Play. Today, I want to talk about play and why it's not just for weekends, birthday parties, or when you happen to have the energy. Play is actually one of your biggest parenting superpowers. I want to start here. Laughter is glue. Laughter, roughhousing, and silliness aren't just fun, they're powerful bonding tools. When you laugh with your child, you're saying, I like being with you. We can have fun together. And even when life is messy, we can find joy. Laughter helps kids feel seen, feel safe, and let go of stress. Roughhousing with kind limits, of course, can actually lower anxiety, build trust, and give kids a safe outlet for big feelings. Think of it as connection in motion. Here is a magic phrase: let them lead. When you follow your child's lead in play, you're stepping into their world. You're saying, your ideas matter. I like what you like. It might look like building the Lego house their way, even if it makes no architectural sense, pretending to be the baby tiger because they said so, playing the made up game with confusing rules that you will never understand. When kids get to lead, they feel empowered. It fills their connection tank faster than a perfectly planned activity ever could. So let's talk about those tricky moments after the meltdown, after the power struggle, when everyone is feeling a little crispy. Play can actually rebuild the bridge. Sometimes words don't work right away after a conflict, but a playful moment can crack the tension. So try something like a goofy, can I have a hug dance, a silly face off challenge, chasing them around the couch like a tickle monster. Play signals we're okay. I still like you. We're back on the same team. It's like the relationship version of hitting the refresh button. The play does not need to be elaborate. It's actually better when it's simple and repeatable. Here are some quick connection sparking ideas: secret handshakes, silly nicknames, bedtime would you rather games, 5-minute dance parties, hug countdowns, 3 hugs before you can leave. These small rituals create what I call pockets of joy. They become our thing moments that kids remember for a long, long time. So here's the big takeaway: playfulness isn't a distraction from parenting, it's a superpower that deepens connection. You don't have to be the fun parent all the time. You just need to invite some lightness back in. When we play, we remind our kids we're safe together. We can have fun even when life is hard. Our relationship is strong and joyful. So the next time you're feeling like the air is heavy, the house is tense, or the day's just been a grind, try leaning into play. You don't need the perfect plan. You just need a little bit of silliness. Thank you so much for being here, for showing up with curiosity and with love, and for remembering that parenting is not just about guiding, it's about enjoying our kids too. You're doing a beautiful job, truly.